So Wayne, what proportion of viewers do you think actually like our videos?
That really depends on when you're asking it, doesn't it? Because in the future we'll have a lot more views and more of them might like or dislike our videos, so the proportion would change.
That's right. We could check now though, we're looking at the dislikes down there.
We could, let's have a look.
Right. Oh, I was looking at the desktop version down there.
Yeah, I was looking at it as if you've downloaded the YouTube app, the likes are there instead.
Oh, I'll be right with this.
Yeah, it's a good proportion. So,
Proportion. And they ask pretty much the same question, every proportion question. It's quite simple.
there's two slightly different versions, basically the same thing. It's what makes sense.
So it's normally someone buys a certain amount of things for one price. How much would it cost if they bought that many things? So Wayne, you like buying coffee?
I do like buying cold coffee.
Oh yeah, iced coffee. That's what we're into.
Sometimes I like to buy 6 coffees, and it costs me
That's what you did today.
£7.20, say.
All right.
That's not how much it costs, but I'm trying to give you a more evil number, because it actually costs a fair number in Tesco. So.
Yeah.
6 coffees costs me £7.20. How much would it cost me to buy 11?
Yeah. So 11 coffees is a rubbish number to have. Why do you want 11, Wayne?
Well, because if it was 12, you just double this and you can do that. So I thought I'd make it really hard, like in your exam.
Oh, okay, I like it. So, the way you do this is you work out how much it costs per coffee by dividing that number by 6.
Because that'll be the cost of just the one coffee. £7.20 divided by 6 is £1.20.
It is.
That's the cost of one single coffee. Now if you times that by 11, that will be how much it costs to get 11. 10 times £1.20 is £12, plus an extra £1.20 would be
£13.
£13.20. And that's how much it costs, and that's a proportion question like what you'd get.
Yeah, but they get a tiny bit more complicated when you do it in reverse.
And you have to sort of think about what the question's asking. This one, you know, if you buy more coffee it's going to cost more, your answer should be more than the original. But
Yeah, if you had lots of workers building a road.
4 workers, and they take 9 days to finish the road. You assume that, and they say how long would it take if there was 6 workers on that road? Now this time you can't do what we did there. If you divide that by 4 then times it by 6, you're going to get a higher number of days. Which if you have more workers, you're going to take less days. So what do you do there?
Well, Wayne, you times the 9 by 4. That's how long it takes to do one worker to do it.
One worker is going to take 4 times longer than 4 workers. So 9 times 4 is 36 days.
And you divide that number by 6.
36 over 6 is 6 days, which makes sense that it will take less days with more workers.
It does.
So it's just thinking about the situation you've been given in the exam.
There you are.
Now, I've got to get onto the cheese mission again.
Oh, you're right, I also have to go and get onto the crackers mission again, so let's go to that.